You know, there's nothing prettier than watching the sunrise in the mornings. The good Lord is brightening the day, and there's new life. It's an adventure to see what's going to happen the rest of the day. I'm Jack Gorsissa from Harrow, Oklahoma. I'm a jack of all trades and a master of none. Just do what has to be. Went to OSU, got an agriculture education degree. Went to Harrow, Oklahoma, and served as an ag teacher there for 33 years. Then after that, retired and now doing what I always wanted to do, farming full-time. The farm here in Conowall, it has been in the family since early in the 30s. My son is the fourth generation living on it there now, our youngest boy. I go down and assist him when he needs help in the hay and things, but he manages that part. And we had an abandoned well site with a bad saltwater spill. Erosion occurred. We had ditches that was 15, 20 foot deep. It hardens the topsoil. It takes away all plant life. And it was a problem area because we had to make sure the cattle stayed out of it. And it's been out there for better than 60 years. There's a gentleman, he said, you need to contact OERB. And so we called them. When OERB came in, they took out all of those rocks, took out all of that stuff, and we knew that we couldn't afford to do anything about it. I just couldn't imagine that somebody would come out and do something for nothing. There is absolutely no charge to the landowner. Now we have water for livestock. The cattle enjoy early mornings getting a drink there, and then when it gets hot in the afternoon, they'll get out in the pond, wade out in it. It also is good for the wildlife, and this next spring we hope to stock it with some fish to where hopefully in a few years it can be an asset of relaxing in the evenings and casting a line or two. You know, it's rewarding to see new life. Love to watch the environment change and become a more positive atmosphere. They did an excellent job. The OERB, they're great to work with. I encourage anybody to contact them.